Hi, my name is Ankit, and in this video I'm going to help you find the best screen recording application that you can use for your business. Now, I have tried multiple screen recording apps out there, but there is only one app that truly stands out, and that is Loom. It's not just any other video recording app, it's a complete recording and editing suite that your business will ever need. You can not just record your camera and screen, but you can also edit videos and share it with others in just a few clicks. And if all that sounds interesting, then hop in and I'll show you how you can use Loom video recording application for your business. So let's dive in. Alright, so there are two ways by which we can use Loom. First is by using the Chrome extension, and second by downloading their application on our desktop. So first we open our Chrome browser here and let's go ahead and search Loom Chrome extension. And here's the first link. If we click on this, we will land on the Chrome extension store page for Loom. Now for me, it's showing remove from Chrome because I have already installed Loom extension on this browser. But for you, if it is your first time, you are going to see an add to Chrome button here. You just simply need to click on add to Chrome and it will take care of the rest. And once that is done, if we click on this, and this is going to open up the interface of Loom recording. And let me just go ahead and walk you through all the options that we have here. So starting from the left hand side, don't get confused with my twin here. The circle camera is from Loom and the square one is from my DSLR that I'm recording right now. Now for this one, I'm using my laptop webcam. And if you mouse over on these three dots, here we can see more options. Either we can close this if we don't want to use the webcam, or we can decrease or increase the size of this camera view. So I think the smaller one is good enough. And here we have all the recording controls, which will start once we start recording. So now let's move on to this top panel here. And first one, we see the video recording option. And right now we have selected full screen. So it's going to record everything on the monitor, or we can choose window, or we can use the current tab, or we can switch to camera only. And below that we have the camera option. So if we click on this, right now we are only using the inbuilt camera, so it's going to show it here. And after that we have the mic option. So if we click on this, so I'm going to use my default MacBook mic because my dynamic mic is linked to the other camera here. But I would highly recommend that if you have external mic or maybe a USB mic like this one, make sure you use an external mic and you're going to see a big difference in quality of your videos that you record with Loom. So right now I'm going to leave it with default, and if you click on this red button, start recording, it's going to start recording my window here using Loom. But before that, let's take a look at these three options here. So first we have effect. Let's click on this. And here we have our top pick. So if we click on no blur, then you can see my camera right there at the bottom is now showing no blur in the background. But if you like to have a blur, if you are in a busy environment, you can select blur option here. Then we have canvas option. Now, if you are doing a presentation style and you don't want to show the screen, you can use canvas here. Like you can use the meeting style. So it's going to open up a new tab and start creating this window with canvas. You can use this one and you can play around with various effects that it got. Or if you are just trying to record anything on your screen, then go back to the tab which you want to record and use it as it is. Then we have the blur option, which is actually a pro feature. So with this, you get an option to blur any area on your screen which you don't want to show on your recording. After that, let's move on to more. And here the first option is settings. Let's click on this. And the first option is video quality. So here we can select what quality of video that we want. Right now in the free plan, we are going to get this 720p. For high resolution, we need to upgrade our plan. And after that, we have recording countdowns. It's going to show you when the recording is getting started with the countdown, so which is a good thing. And then we have the recording controls, which are this one. So if we turn this off, you're not going to see any control, but I'm sure you need it. So let's turn back it on. Then we have an option to flip camera. So if we click on this, you can just mirror the camera here. And then we have the basic options that comes with the app. And now if we just go ahead and click recording, it's going to ask us what we want to record in our window. So I'm going to select this window here and then click on share. And it's going to start the countdown. And now we are recording the Loom video. but actually we are also recording the video from DSLR top there. So there are two recordings going on right now. So right now the Loom is recording this screen with the webcam at the bottom left corner. And if I just move on my mouse, I can scroll the screen and show you everything on the Loom website. And this will get recorded as a Loom video. And once again, you can see the timer here. You can go ahead and pause the recording. You can delete it to start over. And once you are done, you just need to click on finish here. And it will open up a new tab and start processing your Loom recording inside your Loom account.